You guys miss Dave and his folder. Look who is back.
It's me.
It's me and your COVID what? Positive or negative? Hi faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here. Of course, because you've seen moi. It's sunny outside today. It's a little bit fresh in the morning. But we are almost back to our old self. My voice is almost back to the old me. I have a little cough in the night. Baby sneezing every now and then, but we're getting better. On another hand, we woke up this morning. I got my workout in while everybody was sleeping. Hey, you pretty. Say good morning. Say good morning. Good girl. Say how are you? What you want? What do you want? Tell me what you want. You want to get down? Okay. Busy body. Bye bye. She's so busy. Woke up and got my workout in. I'll show you guys a little piece of that in a bit. Tyler woke up just after I finished getting workout done. So we jumped right into a routine like if we're going out to school. He had his breakfast and now he's doing his schoolwork. Let me let you guys say hello to Ty while he works. Tyler, say hello to the faves. What's he doing?
I'm doing my work.
Okay, good. Sit on the chair properly, please. Look who's working from home. Oh, I'm here.
I didn't have them all here. Like if I went to war. Yeah, we fight last night.
You and somebody was fighting in your sleep, not me. Definitely not me. Look who is up and ready for work. You have green smoothie and you have green juice. The green kind of morning you choose.
Well, gotta go walk. It's gonna be a busy day. I wish you all of the to have a good day, enjoy to the vlog, and I'm sure I'll catch you guys along the way. I'm gonna come back and yeah.
Everybody's just getting into their zone to do what they have to do. I am going to try and get some stuff done while Tyler does his work and stuff, and Babe should be taking Tyler just to get tested later to see, you know, if he's okay, which we know he's fine, but prevention better than cure. Anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the fam bam right now if you're new. Make sure you turn on that notification bell, that way you don't miss a video. And if you don't get your notification, go to our channel Mondays to Fridays. A vlog is there, guaranteed. That's a fact. And sometimes you get little surprises on the weekends. So always visit the fam bam. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna stop the rambling and go do what I gotta do around here. Enjoy your day. kind of juice every morning. Your kids can't catch no COVID. Tyler remedy for not catching COVID. Tyler love his green juice, you know. Oh, when babe never used to drink green juice, Tyler used to have his green juice every morning. Oh, for green juice, die. Sarah loves green juice.
That's new. You put this stuff here. That's new.
Yes, I changed the place.
So,
Sarah, come for juice. You since babe had COVID, babe start drinking green juice every morning. Juice. Sarah been drinking this since she was baby, born. Look at her, killing that green juice, my girl.
Mama, can you just give it to me and I just finish?
My kids love them green juice. In this one there is, look, Sarah finish. All done. In this one I have spinach, celery, cucumber, apple, ginger, lemon. What did I miss?
Apple.
Oh, yes, apple is in it, Sarah. And carrot. I have carrot in it this morning. Tyler finish his. All done.
Mama, you're happy that you have two little kids that love green juice?
Yes, I'm very happy you both will stay healthy. Work in progress around here and everybody is busy. I taking a break from my desk to go and make some lunch. It's approaching lunchtime, so I need to make some lunch for the fam bam. Right now, what are you guys having for lunch? I took out some chicken breast, so it's gonna be chicken and I think pasta for the kids and chicken salad for them and I. So that's what's on my menu. What's on yours? Sarah is around there being Sarah as usual. You guys can see her. You finish writing the phrase that Papa asked you to write?
Yes.
Look at this girl. She's reliving Disneyland. You reliving Disneyland? She loves Minnie. You reliving Disneyland? She wanted her Minnie ears and her Minnie cup. And she won't let me put her down. What do I do? Mom life never ends. You guys, look at Sarah feeding Tai because he don't want to eat no more. He doesn't want to eat any more of his food. So Sarah decided to feed him. Look at her. Yes, Sarah. Yes, Sarah. Say eat up. Sarah, tell him eat up. Look, you guys, look. Tai. Tell him eat up. Sarah, say eat up. Sarah, say eat up.
No.
Yes, Sarah. Tell him eat up. Open your mouth.
Thank you. How are you eating? Good girl.
Why you have her eating your food, Dad? You think it's funny?
No.
Feed him, Sarah. Tell him eat up.
No. Sarah, eat. No, eat. No.
Tyler, do not give Sarah any of your food.
Eat me.
Ty, I am not joking. Do not give Sarah any of your food.
I just wanted her to feed me. Mama, can you tell Sarah to feed me?
Sarah, tell Tai to eat up. Sarah, tell him eat up. Feed him, Sarah. Feed him. Tell him yummy. Feed him, Sarah. Feed him. Tell him eat up.
No!
She eat it? When you're not eating, what to expect? Guys, look at this little girl. But look how she's leaning back in it to like... Sarah? Sarah? Why are you in the basket? Sarah? Sarah, why are you in the basket? See, she ignoring me. Hello, Miss Sarah Leah. Why are you in the basket? Look at Mama. Why are you in the basket? Why are you in the basket? Get out of the basket. Out. Get out. Good girl. Don't go back in there. Yes, go and ride your horsey. Hee-haw. Hee-haw.
Not hee-haw, it's hee-haw.
What's the difference between what I just said and what you said?
Hee-haw is a donkey.
Ah, and the horse go how? Ha ha ha, it's the same thing you said.
No.
You do what?
Because when they do this, they do this. No, I know how to do it. You do neigh.
That's what the horse does.
Yeah.
Neigh.
Neigh,
Okay, neigh, neigh.
So now you have your little explanation of animals. Now you know everything about horses.
Okay, little smart mouth.
I'm not a smart mouth. You is smart.
Who are you talking to like that, boy?
It's only smart in this house that I know it's you.
Hey, watch your tone. Take it back. Fix it.
What do you mean fix it? Fix
Stop
it.
speaking like that.
What do I fix it? Fix it for
You see your teeth? I might knock out the next front one.
Okay, I'm going to do stuff like
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay.
Mama Sarah's about to watch time.
Now.
1:20.
Now.
What?
Didn't I say don't go back in the basket? Get out of the basket, little miss. Thank you. It's time for nap. Look at her. It's time for? Yes, let's go.
Night night. It's time to
Night
go.
night. Where are you going?
To the park.
Your wish. Your wish.
What do you mean?
Because that's not true. That's where you wish to go.
The truth is I'm going to the supermarket.
What you going to the supermarket to do?
Do COVID.
Do COVID test. Hmm?
No, do COVID project.
Ty, you play too much. You see it? You're going to do a COVID test.
And it tells you why.
Fibs know why somebody in your class was tested positive for COVID, so you now have to be home for 1 week.
Sad.
And you're very sad, right?
Right.
Yeah, but it's for the safety of everybody. It's better to be at home and know that it's gone than be at school where the COVID is, right? So you had to come home for 1 week because they have to deep clean the class. Do you know what that means?
No.
They have to clean all the chairs, all the benches, all the table, all the windows, all the wall. The tables, that's what I mean. All the tables, all the chairs, everywhere in the class that the person who tests positive may have touched. So because they're not sure where the person touched, they have to clean everything in the class.
Even if she didn't touch it?
It's not a she. Why are you saying she? Just say even if the person. Right, because they don't know where the person touched, so they have to clean everything and get it fresh and clean for when you guys go back next week Tuesday. So don't be afraid when you go to the COVID test, alright? It's just a little thing, but you've done it before, so you know. Alright? Are you going with Papa? Alright. You guys miss Devani's folder. Look who is back.
It's me.
It's me and your COVID what? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negatives. We only do negatives around here.
Except Papa.
I know that was
Papa.
coming.
You know what is that, Tyler?
Except the that side.
That's a
Even if
bean.
you know what is that.
That's a bean. Now soon put your head in the bean.
Oh Jesus, put yours.
So I'm going to make you sit in the bed.
Sorry. You guys. Tyler.
Way too much noise.
You're too loud. You guys, I had no idea what to cook for dinner. Tyler, do not touch the stove. Okay?
We did nothing except this.
Tyler got back and Tyler, didn't I say don't touch nothing?
I'm touching something.
I am making dinner and of course he wants to help. What Mama making? You want what Mama making for dinner? You want the same thing?
What is it?
Wrap.
Wrap?
But I'm gonna put it in the pot and I'm gonna put cheese and chicken inside.
Ooh.
And I know you like it because you've had it before.
I want it.
You want it?
It's with what I can do.
You're gonna help me to do it. Yes, Sarah. You want to come too? Oh la la.
Everybody wants to be.
Ah.
Mama, it looks like a pizza.
Yes, it does look like a pizza.
It
So we
looks
put
like
the oil in. You're gonna put the wrap in. Put the wrap in there. Go ahead.
Fast.
No, just gently, slowly. Just don't touch the pot. Just put it in. Very good. Bravo.
It looks like a pizza.
Now you're going to put cheese at the bottom. Like this. Look at Sarah, one cheese. You want cheese?
This is okay.
Yes, put it here. More.
Can I
Very
touch
good.
here?
Yes. Now we're gonna put some chicken right here.
Feel it.
More cheese right here on top. Sarah, cheese. Say cheese. Cheese, please, Mama. Here. Yeah. Make your body home. Messi, you guys, look at the boys bring me back when they go to the COVID test.
Tyler.
Thank you, my Titan.
Welcome, Mama.
Where's the croissant?
Thailand, sorry, I ate it. I didn't eat any.
Oh, they have a big discount on the Monster Munch. Stay away from the discount.
My boy, greater in cheese. Everybody in the kitchen today making dinner. We're eating and cooking right at
What
the
is
same
it,
time.
Mama?
Okay. What a please, Mama.
No.
The leader.
So inside we have cheese and chicken. Okay, look at my star daughter. Sarah, look. Look up. Look up. Hey. You guys, I'll give you a close-up. So that's the wrap. I have cream cheese at the bottom. The chicken. And now I'm going to put grated cheese on top. The first one that I made didn't have any cream cheese, but I decided to try the cream cheese with it and it tastes good. So we're just experimenting and eating as we go along. You, it's time for bath. It's time for bath. Oh my God. The noise in this house. Get him, Sarah, get him. Get him, Sarah. Get him, Sarah. Get him, Sarah. Go get him. They both need to go and take a bath right now. Look at them. She's doing what you're doing.
Why are you doing this?
Because she's trying to do what you're doing. Do something else and say she will do it. Lay down on the floor. Lay down on the floor, Ty. Sorry, here, bottom. She doing everything you did. She's too funny. She's trying to do everything tell her doing. She's too funny. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Ty, don't do that, let you see. No, Ty, not that one. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, do all four. Clap, clap, stamp your feet. Jump, jump, jump around. Jump. If you're happy and you know it, do all four. Clap, clap, stamp your feet. Turn around. Hooray.
Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. I'm giving you a kiss if you don't. How many people want to give you a kiss right now? I'm the one kissing you. Bye bye. Au revoir. Au revoir. Bisous.
Tell Papa au revoir.
Mouah. Au revoir. Mouah.
Give Papa a kiss.
Mouah.
Tell Faves tomorrow. Tell Faves night night.
Bye-bye. No, no, no.
See you guys tomorrow.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you all doing well and you had a wonderful day. Don't forget to keep up, to catch up, to comment, to
Subscribe and turn on the notification
and
bell.
the notification, the ring, the everything, the like, the thumbs up, and we see you guys
Tomorrow.
with new adventure.
Ow! Why are you squeezing me?